So you've kind of created this operating system and then you're
Yeah,
the operator and like
yeah,
all the things that contributors used to do, you've automated with AI.
yes.
Like where do you see this going with like agencies like in the future with AI? Like is it just going to be a single operator with this thing around them like an Iron Man suit and then they can just scale up a ton?
I mean, I think things like sales are very much like people driven. I don't know that you could fully automate sales. It's a relationship and trust thing. And so I just think that the mix of people in a company looks different. I think of it this way: an AI pilled operator in a business, if they're good, they should be many, many times more productive than they used to be. A senior level, someone that embraces this stuff, they could be realistically 10, 20x more productive if they use it right, which is kind of astounding to think about. So if they were outsourcing lower level work to people overseas or to more junior employees, I think that they could probably do a lot of that workload in collaboration with AI. But I do think the big unlock is getting teams of people to use AI as a team. And I think that's like currently being built. It's like, cause you could imagine, if every employee or every person in a company was using AI to the fullest extent and maxing it out, and then they were able to use it like almost like in a multiplayer and share resources and collaborate, I feel like that's like another level up in like organization level productivity.